that the pastor came to him to seek for powers. And at that moment, oh, there's God. Ah, God, there's a way God does this thing. Do you know that even this herbalist, God is even helping us sometimes? The herbalist needed somebody to use at that moment to upgrade his own power. Yeah. And then pastor came with his own two left legs and came to the herbalist for help. So while the pastor was talking, the man was looking, the herbalist was looking at him and saying, this like this pastor will fit.
The gods have blessed him.
Imagine using a spiritual man for your spiritual problems. Now the herbalist has gotten even more powers than he had before.
He really used the pastor.
Why? You know your son. I said he slaughtered the pastor. The only thing is that the ear, he wanted to go and give the ear to one of the juju. That was when the police catch him. You know, it's like when you kill me, it's like in my family. If somebody kill goats, for example, you have to slaughter it. And so the head of the family will take the head, the other will take the leg. That's how they share human beings as well. Don't ask me how I know.
But how you know?
Don't ask me that question. I said don't ask me, you are still asking me.
But
I just know. So the person that is supposed to take the ear is too far away. So the herbalist wanted to go and give the ear to the one that belongs to. That was when the police caught him. Pastor, I have been telling people will be shouting, Daddy Gio, your Daddy Gio is going for rituals. He actually wanted to use somebody to do ritual. Now he was used. That's how God works.
Balance this life, balance, uncle.
This life can never be balanced when we have some fake pastors everywhere. How can you go? Trust in God, they will say no. How can you not wait for God to empower you to empower others? Then you decide to go and meet a herbalist. And now, herbalist has used you. What a waste.